AI just taught itself. No humans needed. Yeah, this is wild. Hey friends, today we're diving into a huge leap in artificial intelligence that could change the game for how AI is built and improved. Meta has rolled out something called the self-taught evaluator, and it lets AI upgrade itself without a single human giving feedback. That means AI can now learn, test, and refine, all on its own. Normally, training an AI takes a ton of human work. Developers rely on a method called reinforcement learning from human feedback. Basically, people score AI's answers so it can do better next time. But it's slow, expensive, and the data can get outdated fast. Meta's new system skips all of that. Here's how it works. The AI generates its own training tasks, grades its own answers, and tweaks its strategies like an endless feedback loop. And it's powered by a reasoning method called chain of thought, which helps it break big challenges into small, solvable steps. That makes it especially sharp at things like math, science analysis, and coding. What's wild is that it's all based on AI-created data. No human labels, no manual scoring. The system compares multiple answers it generates, uses a large language model to judge them, and picks the best. With each cycle, it gets sharper and more accurate. The results speak for themselves. Starting with Meta's Llama 370B Instruct model, accuracy on a key benchmark called Reward Bench jumped from 75.4% to 88.3% in just a few rounds of self-learning. And with a voting system, it can push even higher to 88.7%. This isn't just a lab experiment either. Meta's already using it for real-world tasks, like testing how closely models match human preferences, which is huge for safety and ethics in AI decision-making. Going synthetic has another perk: speed. Human feedback can take weeks to catch up to new tech. This system? Instant. Plus, it avoids human bias, no personal tone or cultural preferences creeping into the scoring. And that's not all Meta's cooking up. They've also updated their Segment Anything model to version 2.1, which is now even better at spotting tiny or similar-looking objects in images and videos. A big win for fields like medical imaging and weather forecasting. And on the language side, they've built MetpLM, an open-source model that blends text and speech in real time, letting AI speak more naturally and even show emotion. If this catches on, it could rewrite how AI is trained faster, cheaper, more scalable, and always improving without waiting for human intervention. That's a massive deal for industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where accuracy and adaptability are everything. So yeah, we might be stepping into an era where AI evolves by itself, fine-tunes on the fly, and works at a level closer to human intelligence, maybe even beyond. Imagine an assistant that can code, diagnose, or analyze complex data without needing anyone to double-check it first. That's where we're heading. All right, that's today's AI update. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. There's plenty more wild tech news coming your way soon.